Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So as you know that today Infosys first shift exam was there and many of the students are getting the issue like internal server error. So first of all, if you are the candidates who are facing issue, must comment here, and if those who are able to log in, you can also comment. But I think 98 or 99% student don't able to log in and they are getting this error. So first comment that so that other student will get clarity that this is happening for all or not. But as far as my poll, everyone is getting the same issue. So what are the solutions, I will talk in detail. So make sure to listen each and every point, otherwise your exam might be delay and you will not be eligible for further rounds. So actually friend, the main thing I want to tell, don't be in a panic situation, be calm. This is not the case or issue from your side, okay? This is from the Infosys side only. If you are getting the internal server error, internal server error means there might be some issue from their backend team and the questions might not be loading, or there might be huge load in their server and they did not able to manage it. So this usually happen in software industry, so no need to worry. So right now what you can do, you might got the mail from the Infosys team. There they have clearly mentioned, have any difficulty in login, please refer the user manual. And next thing, that in case of any query, please write to this mail. So everyone check your mail ID. You got the mail from that is noting as talent.acquisition@infosys.com. So I will suggest everyone mail them. Now for mailing them, basically you have to have a means you have to maintain some proper format. So in first of all, in subject line you have to give this, that unable to attend online test due to internal server error, and you can write this, okay? So I will provide this mail in the pin comment, so you just mail them so that they will understand the situation, okay? Again saying friend, no need to worry, everyone is facing the same issue, so you need not to panic in this situation. You will get the chance for sure. And I think Infosys backing team are also doing some things, okay? So I have also mailed them regarding that and I have make aware them, so you everyone should do it. Like subject, unable to attend online test due to internal server error. Dear Infosys recruitment team, I hope you are doing well. I am writing for you related to the online assessment for the role of specialist programmer trainee and digital specialist engineer DSC, and schedule on 17th May 10 am. Unfortunately, I was unable to take the test because the assessment portal continuously show internal server error and the test window did not appear even after multiple attempts. I ensured that my internet connection was stable, followed all the things, and blah blah blah. You have to write below are my detail for your reference, so you can give your username and the event date, like event SP off campus 17 May, and date and time. So I kindly request you to look into this issue and consider providing me another opportunity to attend the assessment. Remember friends, I think Infosys team will came out with the things. So whenever you will try to log in, then you might get the error, so no need to worry. And the things I will tell, everyone must mail them so that Infosys team will be aware of this fact. And you have to basically maintain the proper format, okay? And if anyone of are coming with solution, must comment here. And those who have second shift, I will suggest the other things which you can do, just follow the things, whatever the thing they have mentioned in email, like the clearing cache, updating your browser, and providing all those details. So whatever the things Infosys are doing, first of all try to do, make sure that there should not be any case from your side. But I think everyone are doing good and nothing the case from your side. But still I will suggest, try to open in another browser, you can use some other things, and make sure that you should not copy and paste the code. I know that for the first shift it is very bad situations, and I think Infosys team must have to come in with, because this is a really a, what can I say, a bad situation is that. But what you can say, nothing, this usually happen in service industry or the basically IT industry, so no need to worry. So I hope now you got the clarity. Be clear and don't be in a panic situation, you will get the chance. I hope informative to you. Koi bhi query hai, feel free to ask here. I am always here to help you. Must join the Infosys group so that you will get the each and every update. Any update came from the Infosys team, I will provide all those here in the group. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.